The trial's underway for a former coach accused of sexual misconduct with students.
News 9's Tevis Hillis joins us in Shawnee with the update.
The then 17-year-old male alleged victim who came forward with these allegations in 2021 today and yesterday took the stand, sharing what he says was abuse from Ron Arthur. Inside the courtroom, the prosecution is establishing a pattern of behavior from Arthur, which they say has gone on for years.
I think the defense is still trying to piece together the typical locker room behavior.
But for Robert Hare, this wasn't any locker room behavior. Hare, one of the state's witnesses, says Arthur began grooming him 15 years ago.
Touching me, touching my hands, lots of explicit things said to me in the hallways at the school, also in his office.
A dozen witnesses have come forward with these accounts, some taking the stand, others sending in statements. The only plaintiff in this case is the then 17-year-old male.
If there are other people that allowed this to happen, that should also be grappling with whether or not they should be free.
Senator Shane Jett sat inside the courtroom listening to statements.
Seeing for the very first time the perpetrator that hurt so many kids, it was chilling to stand there in knowing that he's been walking free. Who knows what he's been doing.
If Arthur is found guilty, he could be fined up to $10,000 and or be put into jail for up to 10 years. I reached out to Arthur's attorney for a statement.
I'm hoping that it brings closure to the victims, and I hope that what this brings out is a chance for victims who may be out there to tell their story.
And the trial will start back up tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. They expect this to wrap up by Friday. In the newsroom, Tevis Hillis, Oklahoma's own News 9.